Oh my god. I think I just found the most creative resort in the Maldives. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Fatima Zahra. I live in the Maldives and I take you to different islands and I do a lot of fun adventures. Before we start today, please consider giving a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Today, I'm taking you with me to a unique resort. This place is all about art, colors, and island vibes. From the airport to the resort, different villas, activities, food, and everything in between. This is Oaga Art Resort. Let's start this journey. Good morning. I'm here with my coffee, going to a beautiful resort today. It's very early now. It's still not 6 even. The transfer is by speedboat and it's only around 40 minutes. And honestly, this is already a part of the experience. Thank you.
This way.
I just arrived at Oaga Art Resort and the welcome here feels really warm. Hi, good morning.
Riaz.
Nice meeting you, I'm
Your
Fatima.
Fatima, nice to meet you.
They do the check-in here in the main bar, which is kind of different. And the staff, of course, super friendly. Let me show you my villa. Okay, you're not ready for this room. One of the most artistic rooms I've seen in the Maldives. Let me show you around. Wow. This is where I'll be staying and I love how unique it looks. The design is bold, colorful, and very different from normal resorts. I have a private pool, direct beach access, and so much space to relax. This is the kind of place where you really feel on holidays. This is a beautiful cupboard. We have here the robes, of course. We have the safe. This should be a laundry bag. We have the slippers for the room. We have beach towels, beach bag, and this I think is a hair dryer. We have nice slippers. This place to sit. Hi! All of the room is about art. Look at this. And they have put for me champagne. I don't drink alcohol, so they changed it for a 0% alcohol, which is nice. We have some Maldivian snacks here. The TV, bean sofa. I love the bean bags and the beautiful bed with this beautiful view. I guess this is how they used to sit before. Many items in these villas showcase how the king's family throughout the history used to live. Like for example, this sitting area, like for example the pool. I love this. Let's open this one. Oh my god. Yes. This place looks like someone just took an art gallery and turned it into a tropical island. Look at the colors in this pool. Now I'm going to show you another villa category here in the resort. Each villa has its own style, but they all keep the same artistic touch. This one is perfect if you want privacy and comfort, but still stay close to nature. This is the water villa part. This is another villa option at Oaga Art Resort. This is the water pool villa. I love how spacious it is, and of course, let's not forget about the slide. This is a big pool. You have a place that has the shade and a place that has sun. Here's one of the things why I love Maldives the most. Being able to walk barefoot all the time on islands. Look how many fish. It's burning. Yeah, don't go on the wood without your slippers. I want to go see some animals, so let me show you what they have here. Look at this art. Beautiful. Oh, look, they're putting water for the cats. That's really nice, and they put it for them here. They must be living a good life. Look at this, they even have peacocks here, and this is the first time I see peacock directly. Wow! This is Catville! Look at that! Good morning! This area is one of the cutest. They have cats here, and one can grab a drink and come to Catville, enjoy it. Look at this, they also have goats, which is very close to the kids club. Thing that is convenient, I guess, for parents. The kids club is very colorful, fun, and perfect for families traveling with children. Parents can relax knowing the kids have their own space to enjoy, with of course many activities. Hi. This place is very peaceful and quiet, perfect if you want to relax and disconnect. Even walking around here already feels calming. This is Sobe Bar beachfront, and it's very quiet. The pool starts here and it goes all the way. Good morning.
Good morning.
This is the main bar area. It's more lively, more social, and great for evenings. You can tell this is where people come together to enjoy the night. Now let's make a small walk around the resort. Everywhere you look, there's art, open spaces and amazing ocean views. It feels very open, very free and very relaxing. Spread love. Hi. I don't know why this resort has an image of being a party resort, but it's actually very calm. Now they are full but can barely see people. There's a lot of space. The island is quite big for the capacity. You can see people around, but it's so calm. Let's go for snorkeling now. This is the Dive and Water Sports Center. They offer many excursions, snorkeling, diving, paddleboarding, and many other activities. If you love the ocean, this place is perfect for you. Guys, look at the lagoon. I'm about to go snorkeling now. The water here looks so clear. And I can already see fish from the surface. This is one of my favorite things to do in the Maldives. And I saw a shark, so tell me at which time can you spot it? Now I'm doing stand-up paddle. It's very relaxing and also a fun way to enjoy the lagoon. The water is a little bit shaky, but the view is amazing and I'm still enjoying it.
Whoop, you have to balance really well in here. Water is moving so.
Now I got ready for dinner. Let me show you the food here because it's very delicious. Everything is delicious here. I tried many dishes. There's a good variety, fresh flavors, and everything is beautifully presented. Ending the day like this with good food and a nice atmosphere is just perfect.
Hi, what do you have?
Pancake and bamboos.
That's it for my stay at Oaga Art Resort. I really loved this place. It's very peaceful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment which part of the video is your favorite, and tell me which island would you like to see next. Also, if you need help designing your vacation in the Maldives, drop me a comment or a message on Instagram. And I will see you in the next one.